going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going for a POV drive with Richard in his 650 horsepower 335i. Bit of a sleeper.
Indeed.
Just shot a video for the main channel, but I thought let's do a little separate POV drive. Absolute weapon. Let's go a little bit over the mods, Richard. So it's stock engine. Yeah. You say it's a GT35?
Yeah, GT35. It's got a Ford front inlet manifold.
Yeah.
Secondary fuel system.
Cyvex S6.
Yeah, S6. It's got the Turbo Smart Pro 50 external wastegate, drive chain, twin plate spec clutch, quake diff, fully polybrushed all the way through.
You can see we've got a screamer coming down there, man. It's sick, man. The car sounds crazy. Michelin Pilot Sport tyres, 4S on the rear. Interior wise, nice and clean. You also own an R35, you say, as well. Check this out, man. Way state hiding down there. Yeah, check the plenum out. Yeah, Cyvex S6 ECU. Is it tuned by Ryan, you say, the guy that owned it?
It was done by Greg at Pro Tuner.
5 years, you say you've had the car?
Yeah, I've only 5 years.
With about 20% ethanol, you said it max?
Yeah, it made 660.
660.
Yeah, so
yeah, sweet, man. So yeah, proper powerful car, guys. Let's go hit the road, man. All right, Richard. Let's do this, broski. One thing you'll notice, obviously you'll see the main video, but it sounds a little bit different when you start it up. Like, for the fact it's got a stock engine, I'd have thought it was built. Not sure if that's because of the mount or Richard says it's because of the ECU. So the way it fires up, it's all completely different, man. Just sounds a bit more motorsport, do you know what I mean? Richard's got his safety mechanism here as well. It's got
jacked on that.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, mate, it's sick, innit? The way it just bounces, though. Yeah, boy. What are you talking about, Richard? They're not ready, man. I'm telling you, they're not ready. So yeah, and you say this engine, the N54, it's good for like probably a bit more. You could push it more if you wanted.
Oh yeah, I mean, people in the States are running over 1,000 horsepower, but I don't know how true the figures are. Right?
Yeah, I think there was a little bit more in it, the Americans. It's a 335i, man. It's not like a top spec 3 Series. I would say it just comes underneath the M3. Soft suspension, open diff, and obviously this car has had the quaife put in now, you say.
Yeah. HSDs.
Yeah, coilovers, upgraded clutch.
Yeah.
But still a daily, right? You can still cruise around. You just driven down from Devon, like.
Yeah, as long as you don't get stuck in traffic jams.
yeah. So that clutch is a bit springy. That sounds mental. One of the best sounding cars I've heard, 100%. It's not all bark and no action. The screamers usually give you the illusion of performance, but this car really does it. It
does, yeah.
It's hard, man.
Punches, whatnot.
Yeah, 100%. But it doesn't feel safe. It doesn't feel sketchy, does it? Like it's just.
No,
we're gonna go left up here, yeah.
We'll go out in the wet in it, and you see soon.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
But with the quaife, it must be nice, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty right control.
Wow. Mate, that's like just third gear. It's like that's enough, isn't it? Like fourth, isn't it? It's a bit too. It's like too much, isn't it? We'll go middle, left.
Force the license, losing.
Yeah, it's like. But I mean, you're satisfied up to that point, aren't you? It's like, man, don't need no more.